that the boss is different from the leader by having the vision and the mission. Kung leader ka, you have to understand how would you like to see your team. Gusto mo ba yung team mo gumagalaw kahit wala ka? Gusto mo ba yung team or mas gusto mo na yung team mo hindi makagalaw nang wala ka? Which one? Sige nga, kayo ba? O konti lang tayo dito, pwede tayo magtanong. Jay, ikaw, anong mas gusto mo? Makagalaw ang members mo, you have your board, you have your board of directors, you have your officer. Makagalaw sila nang wala ka? O makagalaw, hindi sila makagalaw pag wala ka?
Mas makagalaw po sila pag wala ako.
Makagalaw sila kahit wala ka. How about you, Ken? Ken, are you managing people? You have
Yes, I am po. Oo.
you
Yes.
have team of
Ah,
members.
yes po, opo. Bali yun. I want them na makagalaw kahit wala ako. And that's my answer po.
How many people do you have in a team?
I have 5 po.
You have 5. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Etong 5 na to, mas matanda sa'yo? Mas bata sa'yo?
Some of them are mas double age sa akin. Tapos, not naman, hindi naman. May mga 30s kami. Pero yung tatlo po is same age almost. Mga 20s, millennial po. And Gen Z.
Oh, okay. So, Ken, sinong mahirap pasunurin?
Yung ka-age, almost ka-age, yun yung mas mahirap para sa akin. Mm-mm.
Kaysa dun sa
Kasi
mas
parang ang naging environment is that medyo na ako sa kanila medyo socialize yung I mean na lagi ko na sila nakakausap gano'n. Pero dun so parang barkada mode na yung nangyayari. Pero dun sa mga mas matatanda sa akin, so sila yung mas iba kasi yung culture siguro nila dahil nasa ganung edad na early bird, tapos mga parang professional. Yan,
Mm-mm.
ganun sila yung pakikitungo nila. Yan.
Okay.
Pero in terms of output po, yun naman po. Wala naman po ako masasabi sa mga ka-age ko na
In terms
mga nasa Gen Z output. Kasi nasa marketing kami, so yun talaga yung ginagawa namin, social media and technology, more on technology digital. So talagang yung mga ka-age ko yung nakakasabay. So yung mga mas matatanda, yun yung hindi masyado. Ayan.
less techy, no?
Yes po.
Okay. Right. Luis, eto mas marami kang matatanda sa'yo. Sino mahirap pasunurin?
Mga matatanda po, ma'am.
Ang mga matatanda talaga.
Kasi, ako, ma'am. Kasi po, kumbaga, sila kasi po, matagal na po sila doon sa trabaho. Ako bago pa lang po. So, kapag kumbaga, may bago akong ipapagawa or ipapatry na gawin, umaangal po sila. Mas gusto po nila yung nakagawian po nilang trabaho. Kasi kumbaga, mas sanay daw po sila sa ganun, or mas nabibilisan daw po sila parang ganun.
Are you still seeing my screen?
Yes. Yes po.
You sure? Why? Why can't I see my screen? Okay. Now, mamaya pag-usapan natin, paano natin mapapasunod ng hindi naman madaling-madali, no? Pero how can it be part of our personality as a leader to work along with with all generations? You have the Gen Zs, you have the boomer. I hope, may boomers pa ba sa team nyo? Clients. Do you speak with clients? No? Boomers. Anong age range ba ng boomers? Renz, ano bang age range ng boomers? Iniisip ko, ano ba ako? Boomers ba ako?
Di ko
Millennial?
rin alam, coach.
Parang pare-pareho lang, no? For 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 the PCC, it has been a habit for us to read our clients the moment we have seen them jumping or hopping on a call. Ba? Regardless of the age. Regardless of the age, dapat ma-meet namin the freelancers. Kailangan ma-meet namin kung paano tumakbo yung utak ng kausap namin. Minsan, hindi namin napapansin, alam naman tanongin namin yung kliyente, no? Ilang taong ka na? Okay, anong culture mo? Siyempre, iba-iba. So like, for me, I work across generations, different countries. I have in UAE, I have in East Asia, I have in Asia, I have in US. So, hindi ko na siya matanong. Nagtaong kayo. Paano ko kayo paano ko kayo mapapa-oo? Ba? Pero, the main point is that, kailangan umuo sila. Kung hindi sila umuo ngayon, dapat umuo kayo sa susunod na panahon. Pinag-usap ulit tayo, dapat umuo ka na. Mga 60s yung boomers. Okay. 60 na sila ngayon? Okay. Sana naman wala na sa hilera natin, no? Parang nakakaawa naman si nanay at si tatay pagtatrabahuhin pa natin. So, ang sumunod na, sumunod na ba ay Gen X? Gen X, tas millennial, tama? Yung 50s pababa. Ano pala dapat yung boomers sa merkado? Kasi parang senior citizen na ang mga ito.
Gen
Although,
X, coach, yung
Gen
sumunod.
X ang sunod, right? Kasi
Tapos
although
millennials.
with the company, we also cater, we also acknowledge across ages. So meron pa rin naman, pero nasa around 54, 56, ganyan. I work with them because every company has its own, should have its own DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion. With this campaign, DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion, you should not decline anyone regardless of age, gender, ethnicity, religion, race. Pak. So, paano mo ngayon i-work around yung diversity ng team kung lahat included sa team? Okay. Can you see my screen or business services?
Yes po.
Okay. Our business services includes digital marketing services, creative solutions and brand strategy, project management and consulting, business development and training academy. Ken, alin dito sa business services namin ang ginagawa nyo sa team?
Digital marketing services.
Mhm.
Yeah. Number 2, creative solutions. Almost lahat po. Yeah.
Almost lahat. Nagtitraining kayo,
Opo.
Ken?
Yes, nagtitraining po kami.
Good. Sige daw. May sasabihin ka pa.
But the training that we did is yung it's like parang building network training. Yeah. So
Hands-on?
we are yes po, hands-on po. Because our department is affiliated, parang sales and marketing department na siya. So we cater yung mga sales closing training in terms of selling. Ganun. Kasi our product is a beauty product.
Okay. So how often do you conduct training?
3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. We have Saturday office.
Sorry?
Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday po.
Oh, thrice a week?
Yes, thrice a week po.
All right. Okay. Luis,
Short naman.
Short lang. Gaano ka short yung
Yeah,
short?
sure.
1 hour.
1 hour yung two trainings. The other one is sumustahan lang. Parang it's 30 minutes.
And face-to-face yan?
Yung isa Zoom po. Yung dalawa is face to face.
Okay. How about you, Luis? How about your team? You have a team of 8. You conduct training?
No po, ma'am.
No. Project management. Do you have project management?
Parang pasok pa ata yan, ma'am.
Okay. Sa project management ba, may checklist, Luis?
Opo.
Anong app may ginagamit kang app?
Opo, yung mga pang-maintenance po namin na para po sa maintenance yung kung anong dapat pong tapusin ngayong araw, kung ano po yung mga by weekly or monthly ganun po.
So
Daily
ano,
mga ganun.
walang app, more on papel.
Meron po kaming app yung sa GPM.
Okay. Luis, familiar kayo sa Project Force?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Okay. It's actually a construction app. No.
Ah,
Kung halimbawa, may project na ganito. I'm not very familiar with your work, no? But for the construction that I have worked with, para maayos yung project, since marami, merong farm, merong oxygen, merong oxygen farm, merong as in talagang hog farm, shrimp farm, merong biogas. So lahat to, all our engineers have to be, our electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, civil engineer has to work around with the certain projects all around. So lahat kasi may part, di ba? We have to track. You have. I don't know if it is we similar with you. You have to track when should it start, what should be the task for the day, what have been done, who are the contractors, how much should it be if there would be budget allocation, whatever is that. Okay. You have to have this tracker. Try if it you have the GMP, if it would be helpful for you, at least try Trello. We're gonna show you Trello. Who else is
okay po.
Are you familiar with Trello?
Yes po.
Hindi rin po.
Si Ken,
Ma'am, ano po yung unang
Trello.
sabi?
Yes po, ma'am. I'm familiar po with you.
You're using Trello or Asana? Or ClickUp?
Yes.
What else?
Using right now po, Trello.
Trello. Okay. Luis, have you been using or are you familiar with Trello?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet. Okay. So wala tayong project management app, Luis? Maliban sa GMP?
Wala po.
Okay. Jay! Ansa man na, Jay?
Dito ba po?
What management app are you using? Are you familiar with Trello?
Yes po.
Right. Ginagamit?
Yes po. Ang mga apps po ng management, pang management po, Monday.
Monday? What else?
Yun lang po.
So,
Tapos yung isa
mas ginagamit mo ang Monday at kaysa Trello?
same po silang dalawa.
Pareho mong ginagamit.
Apo.
Okay. Monday.com is more likely similar to Asana. So you could have different views. You can have your Gantt chart. You could have your calendar management. You could have your people management. You could have your Kanban style. Trello is more on Kanban style. Kasi Kanban, you have your stacks there. Okay. You could have you could sort it like to do, doing, and done. You could sort it by project. You could add whatever it is, you could add your Clockify, so you could track which task takes longer than the other. Which person's task takes longer than the other. Which person works longer than the other. That's when you integrate two applications. Are you familiar with Clockify? Coach, mahirap mag-Clockify kasi on-site kami. Usually, ang nagka-Clockify online. But do you use tracker? Time tracker. Familiar sa Clockify?
Hindi po, coach.
Okay.
Hindi rin po.
Hindi din. Luis, familiar sa Clockify?
Hindi rin po.
Ayan. So, pwede naman pwede naman i-minimize yung Zoom. Nagawa ko yan sa cellphone. I-minimize yung Zoom. Tapos, i-search nyo kay Google, sino si Clockify? Yes. Search sa Clockify ha. So, bakit ko pinapa-search ang Clockify? Bakit kailangan? No? Ang dami, masyado ako madaldal, no? Marami akong gustong i-share. Kasi, you have to understand how long does a person work in a certain period of time, in a certain task. Work problem. Naalala ang work problem nung high school, nung college. Kung si Pedro ay makakapag-construction ng makakagawa ng 10 silya sa loob ng 2 araw. At si Maria ay makakagawa ng 5 upuan sa loob ng 3 araw. Ilang upuan ang magagawa nila sa isang linggo? That's a work problem. Have you tried that in the real world?
Not yet, ma'am.
So, paano nyo masasabi na sa team nyo, team of 5, team of 8, ilan ang officers mo, Jay? 6 or 8?
8 po.
8, pero 2 lang gumagalaw. Tama?
Parang ako lang po. Nagagalit na nga po ako sa kanila kasi yung about po dun sa sa mga naggawa po sila ng project tapos magi-implement po sana ng August 1. Tapos po nag-message na po ako ng 30. By 30 nag-message na po ako para sa kung ano yung mga gagawin para makapag-post na ng FabMat. Hindi po sila nagre-reply, mga busy daw po sila.
Diba? Sa tanong ko,
Tapos,
busy? Busy? Okay. So,
tapos
ito,
po, coach, parang naano daw po sila sa sinabi ko, tapos nagtampo daw po sila.
nagtampo. Nagtampo daw? Mag-chismisan na tayo dito.
Opo.
Ganito. So taking a hint from that, no? It's kind of difficult for a leader to choose words. Mahirap. Kasi, yung iba, sa 10 sasabihin mo, tatanggapin nila 3, tatanggapin nila 5. Pero sure ako, wala sa lahat ng under mo ang tatanggap ng 10. Namimili lang yan. Kung alin sa sinabi mo ang tatanggapin nila. Tapos, kung instructions yung 5, ang susundin lang sa instructions mo 3. Yung 2, magta-try out sila ng iba. Kung hindi sila magta-try out ng iba, doon sa 2 natira, hindi nila gagawin. Kasi mahihirapan sila. Tama, mali? Have you experienced that?
Tama po.
Diba? Okay. So, paano technique? ito na ginagamit ko. Ito na ginagamit kong slides. I told you, I am an impromptu speaker. Una, we have to understand how they work before we could manage the project. We have to understand kung ano ang kakayahan ng bawat isa sa team mo. Wag na wag magpapapasok sa team or wag kang mananatili sa isang team na hindi mo alam ang kakayahan ng bawat isa. Kasi, pag pumunta kayo sa gera, whatever project it is, alam mo who will be the pawn, who will be the king, who will be the queen, who will be the knight. Parang chess, di ba? Alam mo kung sinong una mong susugod, sinong iaalay mo. Oh, mauna ka. Kasi ito yung laban. Ang una nating laban, more on, tama kay kinaken, leads. Di ba sales? Maghanap ng leads. O, magaling kang mangharap ng leads, magaling kang manguha ng information gathering, collection, qualification, more on stat, okay, more on location. Okay, so ikaw dito. Sinusunod, correspondence. Magaling sa correspondence. Ikaw ba magaling sa leads? Pwede ka ba sa correspondence? Baka naman ikaw pa rin ang magaling. Baka naman may mas magaling na iba. Baka naman pwedeng i-train. Kaya importante yung training. Hinighlight yung training. Huwag kang lalagpas ng hindi natitrain ang tao mo. Whatever it is na magaling sila, highlight mo yun, i-train mo pa sila doon. At yung weak points nila, tingnan mo kung alin yung weak points na pwede mo i-fill in. Baka yung weak points ng tao mo, magaling ka doon, turuan mo. Bakit? In case of emergency, magkabiglaan, kulang ang tao. Ay, coach, kasi hindi naman pwede kasi magkaiba kami ng lineage eh. Magkaiba kami ng linya, magkaiba kami ng background, magkaiba kami ng ganito, magkaiba kami ng ganyan. Wait, hold it up. Same team? Same team? Use the triangulation method. Use the triangulation method. Ken, familiar sa triangulation?
No, ma'am.
Luis,
Hindi po.
familiar sa triangulation?
No po, ma'am.
Ano ibig sabihin ng triangulation method, Luis?
No idea po, ma'am.
Okay. Jay, familiar sa triangulation? Parang nasabi ko na ito sa'yo before.
Hindi po.
Okay. Pag sinabing triangulation method, ito yung usually maririnig natin to sa research. How would you validate if something is true and reliable? If that certain information is true and reliable, you have to validate from 3 references. Halimbawa, sabi sa libro na to, bigyan nyo ako ng hypothesis. Sabihin natin na it takes 3 months or 12 weeks. Okay? It takes or 60 days. Diba? Parang 12 weeks, 60 days, 3 months. Tama ba? So it takes 60 days, 12 weeks, and 3 months, okay, or 3 months to form a habit. You have to form a habit for you to become successful in a certain area that you'd like to be. 3 months to form a habit, at least you perform it once a day. Sabi sa libro na to, sabihin natin galing sa Atomic Habit. Tapos galing sa power ni 48 laws ni Robert Greene. So, galing sa what else? Nabanggit din siya kay Shinkitan. For example lang nabanggit din siya kay Shinkitan. You have to form a habit for you to become successful. 3 rules. Ibig sabihin, sinasabi ng isa, para sila. That's triangulation. Okay. So how would we apply it in the team? Ibig sabihin, yung kaya mong gawin as much as possible, hindi lahat, hindi ikaw mismo. Pero yung kaya mong gawin, kayang gawin ng tao mo at ng isa pang tao. Na kung mawala ka, sabi nyo kanina, mas gusto ko, makagalaw sila kahit wala ako. Okay? Case-to-case basis. But, nevertheless, there would be always someone like me. Part of me remains. Kung wala, halimbawa, Brian, Renz, and I. No, tama-tama, tatlo kami dito. Okay? Kung wala si Coach A, kayang gawin ni Brian. Siya man ang operations. Kung wala si Brian, kayang gawin ni Renz. Okay? By the way, these two also conducts webinars if you have never seen them yet. So kung wala ako, pwede si Brian, kung wala si Brian, pwede si Renz. Kung wala si Renz, for social media, pwedeng saluhin ko. Kung wala ako, pwedeng saluhin ni Brian. Triangulation method. Iba ang kakayahan ko kay Brian, kay Renz. Pero, when it comes to task, na crucial, wait coach, crucial kasi ito eh. Pag hindi tayo nag-show up, pag hindi natin ginawa on this certain timing, may percentage ng sales, may percentage ng operations na madidiskaril. So, anong gagawin ko? Papasok ako kahit mamamatay na ako. Ganun ba? Tayo. Hindi, di ba? So, tatawag ko, nasa ER ka na, Ano, hinapo na. Uy, sir, anong gagawin dito? Ha? Anong paid? Di ba kayo makapag-decide? Hindi ganon. Hindi ganon. Di ba, ang animated ni Coach Magturo? Hindi ganon. Okay? As much as possible, bit by bit, that is why training is important. Because you have to impart something from you, from your team, to your team. Kung alin magaling si Brian, pahingi nga ng kaunti, ibigay natin kay Renz. Kung alin yung magaling si Renz, kuhanin natin, bigay natin ng kaunti kay Brian. Aralin ko din, Renz, baka mas magaling ka sa akin dito sa part na to. Sa pag wala ka, kaya ko. So si Brian, kung wala siya, kaya ko. Kung wala ako, kaya ng dalawa. Did you get the idea? Eh di sila na naging leader, no? You don't think about that. You have to have your pillars. You have to take care of your people so that your people could take care of you and the business while you're alone. When you're gone. Nagets po? Nagets?
Opo, coach.
Pa-heart naman,
Yes, po.
pa-thumbs up naman. Kung nandiyan pa kayo, baka nagkakape na kayo. Nakaisang oras na tayo. Yan. Okay? Ulit. Right? On your plan, you have your KRAs. Diba? Key result areas. How would you improve the team? Right? Training. So, maganda yung kinakain. Meron silang at least 3 times a week na training. But make sure for that 3 times a week training, or even that's once a week training, or even that's once a month training, someone gets something. Because if someone can't get anything from that, you're just mostly wasting your time. You don't want to waste time. Time is our most valuable asset. Yung pera maibabalik ko sa inyo, yung oras hindi. Nagbabadali pa tayo, coach? Hindi. We all have different timings. We all have different times. But as for us, for you, your most valuable asset is your time. Make sure you make your time worth of everything. Coach, kahit nasa vacation ako, yes. You need that for your mental health. Still, that's valuable. Not unless mag-addict ka. Yun, hindi na yun valuable. So, sayang oras mo doon. Sayang ang katawan mo. Sayang ang galing mo. Sayang pera mo. Sayang lahat. So, make sure we make use of our time in exchange of anything valuable. Second is more on project management. when you know how to work around your people in respect with everyone's effort and time, we manage our projects as much as possible. Sige, nandun na tayo sa, uy, nagkabiglaan, pwedeng ikaw, pwede ba ikaw? Sige, pwedeng hugutin kasi naka-triangulation method ka na. But as much as possible, everything is in project timeline. How would you manage the project is on the timeline. 2 months before, 3 months before, pinaplano mo na. Hindi yung kahapon mo naisip, ngayon mo siya gawin. No, we don't do that. Tapos mag-expect tayo ng 100% success rate. We don't do that. Paano kung halimbawa, coach, nag-project naman tayo. It's almost about 1 or 2 months before, tulad nito. Tapos, ang enrollees natin medyo kukunti lang. Can we postpone? Can we postpone? Not unless it's crucial. We postpone. We have actually postponed this for several times. And we have to show up now. Kasi hindi naman bumabagyo na. Hindi na, bumabagyo pa ba sa inyo? At least bumabagyo sa inyo. Cut namin to. Okay? And actually, Brian was telling me, Coach, ano ba, kaya ba ng oras, kaya ba ng tao, i-record natin, ganito, ganyan, or mag-one-on-one tayo. But actually, I talked to Ken. Ken, would it be okay with you to have one-on-one if others are not available? Luis, are you available are you comfortable with one-on-one if others are not available? Why? We respect our time. We value your money, but we value more of your time because you trust your time with us. So the same case, we are expecting the same case for you with your team. You value your team's time. And if it's already 5 o'clock, you send them home. Huwag magpatawag ng meeting ng 4:30 kung hindi matatapos ng 5 o'clock. May pamilya kayong lahat. Okay? And if it needs to be, well, actually, this webinar is until 9 o'clock. Will you still be available until 9 o'clock? Can you still be with me? Or 8, or at least give me 30 minutes. Would that be okay with you?
Yes po.
Kaya pa? Kaya? Okay.
Yes po.
Thank you so much. Make sure that when you call up a meeting, if it has to start at, for example, 4 o'clock, it should end by latest 5 o'clock. Everybody goes home. Pinakamatagal na yun. And if you can make more concise and precise meeting, 15 to 30 minutes is enough. It's not actually a training session. It's not actually a classroom session. That's a meeting. You should have your agenda first. Bulleted agenda. Ano ang kailangan nating malaman? Ano ang kailangan nating alamin from one person to another? Kung hindi naman natin kailangan mag-convene dito para kuhanin lahat ng nasa utak nyo, huwag na tayo mag-team. Kaya ng email yan. Kaya ng Trello yan. Kaya ng project management yan. But, if it's something na kailangan ang opinion ng bawat isa, make sure that the agenda is bulleted. You come here on time. We start on time. We make a leeway for 5 minutes. Baka may nag-CR, nasiraan siya. Sige, 5 minutes. But in respect of everyone's time and effort, come here on time. Bulleted agenda. Let's discuss what really matters. Other matters, mamaya. Other matters that is not really important, particular to the agenda, leave it there. Meron akong concern kasi ganito ganyan. Does it belong to the agenda? If it's not, let's call another meeting. Please. Please. Diba? Importante ang oras sa lahat ng bagay. At importante din na lahat, ang atensyon nandun lang. Kasi kung yung atensyon nandun, tapos yung iba wala, sayang. So ulit, kung yung meeting ng agenda, yung agenda ng meeting, yung agenda ng meeting, pwede namang hindi opinionated, pwede namang hindi lahat upuan ng face-to-face. Balik. Lumayas kayo. Mag-email tayo. Marami ng paraan ngayon para hindi natin sayangin ang oras ng isa't isa. But make sure you still have time to check up on everybody. Check them out. Uy, kaya pa? Okay lang? Kakain ka pa? Problema sa pamilya? At least during the breaks. During the breaks, kung introvert, sige, bala kung ayaw makipag-usap. Or during the breaks, may pagka-extrovert, sige, saka tayo mag-usap, saka tayo maghuntahan. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Baka kaya non-performing yung tao mo, may karga. Baka kaya gusto nang mag-resign ng tao mo. Kasi nahihirapan na siya. Both personal and work. Coach, hindi naman pwede kasi laging isinasali yung personal. Dude! Your team is a human being, is not a robot. Kahit si ChatGPT nagbe-breakdown. You want 100% from your people, give 100% too. If you're the leader, give 101. Because your team is a reflection of you. Kung magulo ang team at ikaw ang leader, wait, may problema sa'yo. Coach ha, maayos ako. Hindi. May problema sa'yo. May problema sa team ko, wait, may problema sa'yo. Kaya ikaw man ang leader. You're the head. You have to fix yourself. Because you cannot give what you don't have. Kung ikaw mismo yung schedule mo, hindi mo maayos, kung ikaw mismo wala kang pahalaga dun sa time mo, wala kang pagpapahalaga dun sa effort mo, go lang ng go, kahit wait, nagbabanggaan na yung projects, oh wait, nagbabanggaan yung trabaho, wait, nagbabanggaan yung task, uy, gumawa na siya, tapos gumawa pa rin siya. Ay, die. You have to check out yourself. Harap sa salamin, salamin. Paano ba sasabihin na ikaw ang problema, dude? You have to fix yourself first. Because again, you are not someone being led. You are not someone being led. You take the lead. Unless you want it to be a blind leading another blind. Okay? Okay? Ipapasok ko yung creative solutions. Kasi yung creative solutions, ito talaga yung pinagmamalaki ni PCC, no? Brand Strategy Creative Solutions. Pag sinabi mo kasing creative solutions, usually, ano ang naiisip mo, Luis?
Wala pong idea naman.
Walang idea. Sa atin kasi sa engineering, isang ano lang eh. The solution is just kung halimbawa ito daan, dito natin pala daanin yung wires, dapat ganito lang. Pero hindi naman talaga ganun, Luis, di ba? There are a lot of ways to work around. Tama?
Okay.
Halimbawa, gusto kong pailawin to. Gusto ko din maglagay ng ilaw dito. Pwede kong hanapin kung saan yung main line. Pero pwede rin ako mag-work around from the main line. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay. Ken, creative solutions.
Siguro solution in different problems that occurring on our business that is creative and innovative. Kumbaga, hindi siya yung sasagutin mo o isosolve mo yung problem in a simple way, but creative, may impact.
May impact.
Impactful siya. Hmm.
I get the term impact. Okay. Jay, creative solutions. O graphic designer ka, Jay, ha? Pinaalala talaga.
Apa.
What is creative solutions for you?
For me po,
Mhm.
Mas binsa po ako sa pag ano mga graphic content.
Mhm. Okay. So, kayo magkakaiba kayo ng understanding when it comes to creative solutions. But generally, as far leadership is concerned, creative solutions is more on, ulit, creating impact by what means? Tailored fit. Tailored fit. Pag sinabing tailored fit, hindi siya one size fits all. Pag sinabing not one size fits all, hindi itong suot ko na pwede pang small, pwede pang medium, pwede pang large. Ang itsura nito, alam niyo yung word na pitis? Para parang tayo Tagaluzon, pitis. Sikip. Sikip na. Maganda. Maganda ba? Kapag sobrang sikip, di ka na makahinga. Mm. Eh kung itong damit ko, kaya pasuot ko dun sa bata ko, 8 years old. Anong itsura? Anong itsura? Imagine. Imagine pang malaki, sinuot ng maliit. Anong itsura? Sobrang?
Dress na. Dress na siya.
Diba? Maluwag siya. Pangit. Pangit. Pangit pareho. Sobrang sikip, sobrang luwag, pangit pareho. Uulitin ko yung term, pangit. Bakit? Kasi hindi siya tailored fit sa'yo. Hindi siya fit sa'yo. Hindi siya fit dun sa team. Hindi siya fit para dun sa project. How would you make it that? How would you work around on that? How would you work around on that? Na, etong 30 years old mo, etong 35 years old mo, can work around with your 25 years old na hindi sila nagka-clash. Na itong project mo, na kailangan ng panggabi, na ang mga tao mo pang-araw, hindi sila magrereklamo, hindi sila parang deprived of their liberty to be alive during the day. Diba? How? That's creative solutions. You create tailored fit solutions working around with your people and your people's characteristics and your people's capabilities and your people's abilities and your team efforts in solving a problem, in solving a project. At kahit 8 yung team mo, hindi yan lahat mag-fit sa isang project. Merong isa dyan, kahit yung pinakamatalino mo, pagdating mo dun sa isang project, yan yung pinakatamad. Bakit? Bakit tatama rin yan? Kasi mag-iisip yan eh. Paano hindi na ako magagawa? Paano hindi na sa akin mapupunta yung trabaho? Paano ko dadaliin, pabibilisin yung trabaho ko? Meron siyang ganong mindset. At mind you, pagpunta mo naman dun sa kabilang project, pag binigay mo dun sa pinakamahina mo, siya yung pinakamasipag. Kasi hindi niya alam. Kasi gusto niyang malaman. Kasi gusto niyang malaman. Diba? Willing kasi siyang matuto. Kaya kahit hindi siya matulog, ang tulog niya 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, aralin ko to para pagpasok ko bukas, alam ko na gagawin ko, tapos tatanong ko ulit, magtatanong ko kahit kanino. Tapos gagawin ko, papracticing ko, kahit nakasunod ako, sige ulit lang, basta kaya, basta hindi sabog. Kasi meron ka gustong malaman. Meron kang taong ganun sa team mo. Okay? Pag pinagsama mo yung taong tamad, tsaka ang taong masipag sa team mo, sa isang project, ang mangyayari niyan, ano Luis, anong mangyayari? Pag pinagsama mo yung taong matalino na tamad, tapos yung taong mo mahina na masipag, pinagsama mo sila, anong mangyayari?
Parang meron ng utak tapos kagagawa.
Yon. Ang mangyayari, may pros and cons. May pros and cons. Mabilis na matatapos yung project, madaling matatapos yung task, whatever it is, kung nandun yung matalino mo. Pero, kawawa yung mahina mo. Bakit?
Siya kikilos.
Siya kikilos. Nasa kanya ang legwork. Siya ang magiging utusan. Kasi matalino to eh. Susundin ko to. Lahat ng sasabihin nito, susundin ko para matuto nila. Para tumala din ako tulad niya. Diba? Pwede iwasan? Pwede. Pwede mong gamitin into your advantage. How? Make sure as a leader that these two people within your two among the 8, two among the 5, okay? That these two people don't cross boundaries. You set the scope and limitation. You set boundaries for each. Ito trabaho mo. Ito trabaho niya. Para kayo nagagawa ng Venn diagram. Ito trabaho mo. Ito trabaho niya. Ito yung pwede kayo mag-combine. Pero ito, sa'yo lang. Ito, sa'yo lang. Nasa kanan ka, nasa kaliwa ka, hiwalay kayo. Pero yung nasa gitna, pwede yung pagtulungan. Yung correspondence, pwede nyo pagtulungan. Okay? Yung communication, pwede nyo pagtulungan, naka-on the loop kayo pareho. Pero itong highly technical, sa'yo to. Huwag mo ipapasa to sa kanya. Kasi sa'yo to naka-assign. Etong pinapagawa sa'yo, huwag mo ipapasa kanya. Bakit? At the end of the day, ang itatanong, anong nagawa mo? Kahit utusan kanya, uulitin ko sa'yo, ito ang trabaho mo. At the end of the day, ito ang tatapusin mo. Kasi kung tinulungan mo siya dahil inutusan kanya at ginawa mo yung kanya at hindi mo ginawa yung sa'yo, ulit, natapos mo trabaho mo? Natapos ang trabaho ng utusan? Hindi. Sino kawawa? Siya. Kasi pagod na siya, hindi pa niya natapos yung task niya. Pero, tumulong siya. So, with these kinds of people in your team, you have to manage their tasks, making sure that no one goes beyond their boundaries. May limitations. Okay? And as a leader, you have to be creative na hindi nasasaktan. Kasi babalik tayo doon sa kinukwento ni Jay kanina. Coach, kasi ganito, nasaktan doon sila sa sinabi ko. Hindi kasi lahat ng sinasabi natin, natatanggap ng tao natin. You have to be creative enough na how would you speak with them? How would you look at them? Kasi face-to-face ito. How would you look at them? Hindi katulad nito, hindi ko kayo nakikita, hindi ko matitingnan sa mata, di ba? But, the modulation of my words and my voice, magmamabilis ako, magmamabagal ako, magtataas ako ng boses, mamahina ako, for you to keep your attention to me. Pupusta ako, baka hindi kayo makatayo para umihi. Not unless ayaw nyo kung marinig. Kasi yung sasabihin ko mamaya, iba rin sasabihin ko ngayon. Tapos, 10 minutes na lang ako. Diba? So, nandito pala ako sa slide na to. Okay. But that's creative solutions. It is our job, it is our tasks to meet them halfway. Okay. I'd like you to look into this. This is our team. Look how many are we in the team? We have different colors. We have different tasks. We come from different industries. We have different ages. Most of these people are older than I am. But I take the lead. I'm not really good at leading, but still I could make these people intact. And if everything clashes, at least I'm proud to say that if some people here clash with schedules or mindset or whatever, I still get in touch with each. Okay? You can't lead 3 people for the triangulation. You can't lead the 10. You can't lead the 13. You can't lead the Ocean's 13. You can't lead the 5. You can't lead the 13. You can't lead the 8. You can't lead the 20. Okay? That would be really difficult. But you have to take the lead of yourself first. Sarili muna. You have to take the strategy on your own. Sarili muna. Okay, hindi ko kaya tong gawin doon. Paano ko gagawin sa sarili ko? Kung ako ang makikinig. Paano ko i-disseminate? Kung sa akin ko sasabihin ito, masasaktan ako? Susunod ba ako? Maiintindihan ko kaya? Kung hindi, change. Plan B. Para sa team, ha? Para sa team. Be visionary. Ano ang gusto mong makita sa team? Put them in certain mission. Ito, ipapagawa ko sa'yo. Ito yung task mo. Ito yung mission mo. Looking forward na ganito yung mangyari sa atin. Ganito yung, if you have KPIs, Ken, do you have KPIs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Meron po.
For specific project, this is our KPI. This is our target number. This is our target timeline. Huwag naman masyado. Be smart. Be smart with the KPI. Okay? Be specific. Be measurable. Be attainable. Okay? Kasi, be realistic. Time-bounded. Hindi yung, okay, kailangan ko ng ganito. What? Ano daw? Kailangan ko ng sales. So, paano? Kailangan matapos ang project within 3 months. Paano? You have, numbers is a game. Numbers are just numbers, but you could play the numbers for your own game. Okay? Okay. I'd like to in a bit. Okay. I'd like to show this one. I'd like to show this one to you. However, I only got 5 minutes, so we'll be discussing more tomorrow. I'd like to present how we hack our own brains and others' brains to work for us, work for our certain projects, work for our tasks, and then I'll compress this based on your jobs, based on the team that you lead, and then some project apps, management apps that you can use. Okay, and then when you come back to me tomorrow, can you please can I give you a homework? Can you please list down the names of your team? Saan sila magaling? Gaano sila kabilis magtrabaho? Halimbawa, for example, ano? For example, si Renz, mabilis siya sa social media marketing when it comes to captioning, copywriting. Pero, matagal siya mag-graphics. Okay? So, magaling si Renz sa copywriting, magaling siya mag-schedule, magaling siya mag-arrange magaling siya magturo when it comes to giving out what she knows about social media. Pero pagdating sa graphics, matagal. Kasi very particular siya doon sa elements na gagamitin, branding strategy, how to make it catchy. Matagal siya mag-work doon. I want you to analyze each of your team. Saan sila magaling, saan sila mabilis, saan sila nahihirapan. Thank you, Dean. You do that on yourself too. when it comes to leading the team, when it comes to organizing your schedules, organizing the projects, organizing your team, saan ka hirap, saan ka mabilis, saan ka magaling? Will that be okay with you?
Yes po.
Ken?
Yes po.
Okay. So we could have something to discuss tomorrow. Para mapag-usapan natin, very particular to your team na, sino ba yung ganito? Paano natin siya i-work around? Kasi I believe that may isang Ken sa team. Even in my team, there could be a Ken in my team, and there could be another Yanni, Coach A, like in your team. Ako, pag nilagay niyo ako sa ilalim, mahirap akong, mas matikas ng ulo ko. Mahirap akong pasunurin. Bago ako sumunod, dami kong yada, 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 yada. Okay? So let's see. How can we make a picture out of the jigsaw puzzles from each team? Okay? Do you have questions for tonight?
Ma'am, pwede pong makahingi po ng copy po ng recorded video.
Oh, sure. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Ako din po, Coach A.
JJ, parang araw-araw na tayong kikita, Jay. Okay. I'll be sending all. I'll be sending them. I'll be sending it through the GC. Yan. Para you could have access.
Thank you
So
po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay? Have further questions?
Not yet.
Not yet. None yet. Okay. With that, I hope to see you again tomorrow, same time. Or if you could, will you be available at 6 o'clock? No? Sige, same time. Same time tomorrow, 7 o'clock to, diba nakalagay dito, 8 to 9? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock to at least 8:30 earliest, so you could still have your energy to work on the next day. Okay? If we can finish the lesson, the lecture, by tomorrow, we could still have the Bri. Meron tayo ng pang next week. May tatamaan ba ako ng 17, 18? We're gonna let you know. Okay? So, para matapos natin lahat. Hindi yung parang, pinadelete mo ni Coach 2 days lang, tapos na agad. Until we finish them all. Will that be okay with you?
Yes po.
Yes po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Ken? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay po.
Okay. With that, thank you so much for being with us tonight. Have a great have a great night, have a great weekend, and see you again tomorrow. Same time, 7 o'clock. Bye.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Des.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
po.
Bri. Thank
Thank you
you,
po.
Ken,
Thank you.
Luis,
Thank you.
Jay.
Bye-bye
Thank you po,
po.
ma'am.